Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com here for ntmarkets.com with your Thursday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, daily chart of the ES, and if you haven't had a chance to watch the evening recap from last night, go ahead and check that out. Essentially, what we discussed was how we've pulled back. We expected to pull back to the middle band. We talked about that yesterday. Then the question became, what happened when we got there? It's going to be a bounce off the middle band, or were the bears going to trade below the middle band and close below the middle band? My feeling was if the bears traded below the middle band, they really had to push, keep the pressure on, seal the deal, close below the middle band to open up a move to the lower band to that 23% pullback to that key 1670 area. That didn't happen yesterday. They pushed it as low as 1680 half, but we bounced. We left a hammer there, and as I said last night, they left themselves wide open to exactly what's happening right now, which is a move higher. So the bulls are taking advantage, as they usually do, and we have traded as high as 95 half. We're trading up near the highs right now, and we have already broken through yesterday's high of 1693 half. We're also above the weekly pivot, I should add. At this point, there's very little, if anything, to stop a move up to test 1705. Absent news, absent some type of change in direction that is, going to be headline based or something of that nature today. We do have jobless claims in an hour, but jobless claims don't seem to be carrying the same type of force and effect as they did maybe a couple of years ago. That's just my personal opinion. I think everybody just assumes there's a lot of jobless claims every month because there is, and the more there are, the more pressure it places on employment, which keeps the Fed's foot on the gas pedal, whether they want it to be there or not. So at this point, you have to be looking higher. If we do get a lower high, if we do only get a move up to the upper band, which is sitting right now up around 1705, if we do punch through and fail, I mean, obviously you can get short there, but essentially what's happened, I mean, just to the naked eye with no preconceived bias, is that we've pulled back 25 handles off of 1705. We are trading in a very tight range, and either we're going to continue to consolidate around the middle band and let those Bollinger Bands get even tighter for a large resolution, or we're going to head right back up to the upper band, which seriously exposes the bears to another upper band ride. And that could head up, above 1705. Then you start looking at areas like 1714, 1718, 1723. Is that going to happen today? No. I mean, unless there's some positive news out there that we don't know about. But you need to have your options on the table. It is summer. The volatility is low. We could come right back down, and we could just start grinding around between 1697 to 1680. We could do that for a couple of weeks while everybody goes on vacation and figures out what they want to do, and then we come back and then the next move is revealed. What I think is a little more likely is that we continue to head up and we test these 1705, maybe make a slight new high and then come on back down. But today will tell. With respect to the pivots, you've got double pivots at the 9-day, which was such an important pivot yesterday. I put up a lot of charts on the website yesterday. If you hadn't had a chance to check those out, please do, because it really walks through how the pivots and the levels work together throughout the course of a trading day to give you a few nice setups. Today you have double pivot 1687 half to 1688. So on a pullback today, if there's pressure at any point today on a dip, I would expect that 87, 88 area, starting with the 89 that was so important, to act as initial support. And and now you've got the middle band underneath that. So you've got just a thick layer of support from 89 down to 87. Okay, everybody have a fantastic day. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com. Check out the website. Follow us on Twitter at Princetontrader. We'll be posting some great stuff all day. Going to try to get at least 3 or 4 charts up there every day for you guys. Check out the chat room. Come check out the levels. Have a fantastic day. Trade them well. I'll be back tomorrow morning with another webcast.